Is everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know the rules. I will pronounce each and every word 3 times, and you will have to write the words, the proper spelling of the words within that time. And afterwards, I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to write the meanings, okay?
Yes, sir.
Or a synonym. It's up to you. So, the first word is monopoly. 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 The second word is juvenile. 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 The next word is lenient. 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 The next word is biased. 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 The next word is infamous. 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 The next word is exhibition. 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 The seventh word is sacrifice. 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 The next word is abrupt. 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 The next word is considerable. 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 I've said 9 words, right? All right. The last word is dissatisfied. 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 All right. Now you have 1 minute to write your answers. It can be a synonym, it can be a Bengali meaning. Either one is good. So go on. 1 minute. All right, time up. Stop writing. Hand over your answer sheets. Stop writing. You will get negative marks if I see that you are still writing, okay? So how was your test, everyone? Was it Alhamdulillah or Inna Lillah? Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.